Hello students, I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor SPCGCA अजमेर। आज हम जनरल कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ कोलियोप्टेरा पढ़ेंगे। General characters of Coleoptera. Beetles are the example of order Coleoptera. Superorder Endopterygota. Front wings are hard and form a special structure elytra, which is important character of Coleoptera. Four-leg species. Largest order. Coleoptera is the largest order of insects. 25% animals and 40% of all insects. Weevils form largest family. 83,000 species are known. Present in all habitats except sea and polar region. Feed on plant, fungus, debris and also eat other invertebrates. Colorado potato beetle, Coccinellidae or ladybird beetle eat aphids, scale insects, thrips and plant-sucking insects are also there. Classification: Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Arthropoda, Class Insecta, Endopterygota, Order Coleoptera. Other suborders are Ediophaga, Myxophaga, etc. Rove beetles have short and blister beetles have soft elytra. Aquatic beetles trap air bubbles under their elytra, use diving. Endopterygotes, complete metamorphosis is present. Stag beetle, sexual dimorphism is present. Males have enlarged mandibles. Many beetles are aposematic, means warning toxicity is present in them. Batesian mimics are also present. Their color match with that of surrounding. Head is sclerotized and compound eyes are present. External characters: elytra is present. Mandibles move in horizontal plane. Mouth parts are suctorial, reduced. Maxillae with palps. Antennae 11 segmented. Exoskeleton is made up of plates or sclerites separated by sutures. Antennae tarsal formulae is the basis of identification. Head is sclerotized, large. Compound eyes are present. Ocelli are also present. Antennae. Tiger beetle avoid obstacles, balance, grasping air. In some, used for mating or gathering air or defense. In others, used for venom injection. Maxillary, labial and mandibles enlarged in males. Thorax is segmented. Prothorax and pterothorax. Pterothorax is fused meso and metathorax, separated in other species, flexibly articulated from prothorax, upper surface, hard plate, pronotum, posterior part are wings. Legs are present, 2 to 5 small segments tarsi with claws, one pair, end of last tarsal segment of leg, use legs for walking. Aquatic beetle use legs for swimming. Male diving beetle have cup on foreleg, used to grasp female. Fossorial legs. Flea beetle and flea weevils have enlarged femur, help them to leap. Wings are present, 4 wings, not used for flight but form elytra, hard shell-like structure raised when hind wings fly. This is important character of Coleoptera. Soldier beetles, Cantharidae, elytra is soft. Carabidae, lost ability to fly. Glowworm, ability to fly and elytra lost. Tansy beetle, walk. Abdomen, behind metathorax with a hole of breathing spiracle, 3 different segments of sclerites, the tergum, pleura and sternum. Tergum is membranous, soft, concealed by wings and elytra. Pleura small and one spiracle. Sternum wide and sclerotized. Abdomen have articulating sternal lobes. Reproduction. Endopterygota undergo complete metamorphosis, means 4 stages are present. egg, larva, pupa, imago. Larva is also known as grub, pupa is also known as chrysalis, and imago as adult. Pupa sometimes enclosed in cocoon constructed by final instar larva. Some show hypermetamorphosis, means many larval stages are present. Example, meloidy. Mating. During mating, communicate with pheromones, fatty acid or amino acid. Pheromones can be in the form of fatty acid or in the form of amino acid. Some show stridulation behavior before mating. Tapping female's eye in others. Competition in burying beetle is present. Territorial behavior is also shown. Copulation, fertilization. After copulation, fertilization of eggs occur. Life cycle. Egg, most are oviparous, means egg laying, but some others are ovoviviparous, sometimes laying egg and sometimes giving birth to young ones. Chrysomeleny, 12,000 eggs are laid and parental care is shown in some Atalabidae. Roll leaf, lay eggs in rolled leaf. Larva. Larva is feeding stage. Some are internal feeders and others are external feeders. Ground beetle is predatory. Skin beetle repeat cycle. This is known as biological immortality. Some 2 to 3 days, life is 2 to 3 days, and in others they can survive for 3 to 4 years. Pupa. Larvae pupate and form pupa. After some time emerge as adult or imago. Like species Praestidae emerge in 51 years. Some emerge in 4 to 5 days and others in 51 years. Eubria released adult after 40 years. Small to long lifespan. Locomotion. Elytra allow beetle to fly by folding wings. Muscles are attached to wing margins. Roe beetle have reduced elytra, capable of flight. Most of the time move on ground. Day flying species have metathoracic wings, extend under lateral elytra. Aquatic beetle, whirling beetle carry air bubble with them when they dive. Some hold air between stomach and elytra. Feeding behavior. These beetles are omnivorous, eat both plants and animals. Some are leaf beetle, long horn beetle, weevils, ground beetle, roe beetle, Staphylidae. Carnivorous, feed on small prey, earthworms and snails. Large beetles eat vertebrates. Some are general, eat plant and animals. Others have specific prey requirements. In some, symbiotic microbes in digestive system also have yeast and fungus. Decaying organic matter is the main diet of many species. Dung, Coprophagous, scarab beetle, Necrophagus, carrion and Sylphidae prey on larvae. Coprophagous and necrophagous insects feed under bark, feed on wood, fungus and leaf litter. Some have specific organs, mycorrhiza, for transport of symbiotic fungus spores. यूसोशियलिटी. यूसोशियल बिहेवियर इनमें पाया जाता है. कोऑपरेटिव ब्रूड केयर ऑफ ऑफस्प्रिंग. बीटल or weevil are eusocial. They live in the heartwood of eucalyptus. 300 wood boring ambrosia beetles are known. Ambrosia fungus grow in ambrosia beetle's tunnel. Fungus grow in beetle's tunnel, give food for beetle and larval female. Offsprings remain in tunnel and maintain fungal growth. Eusociality also present in West beetle. Parental care is also present in beetles. Roe beetle, Bladius spectabilis, in salt marshes. Female protect eggs In others, predatory carabid beetle and parasitoid wasp kills 50% of larvae. Burying beetles' attentive parents are present in dung beetle. Dung beetle collect herbivore dung and lay egg. Dung beetle जो है वो herbivore dung को collect करती है और उसमें eggs lay करती है. Mass provisioning occurs. Chrysomelidae and Cassinidae guard offspring. Chrysomelidae में जो parents होते हैं वो ऑफस्प्रिंग को गार्ड करते हैं. कम्युनिकेशन. Communication behavior is present in beetles. Communication is with the help of pheromones. Communication जो है वो pheromones की सहायता से होता है. Mountain beetle secrete pheromones and attract other beetles. Also secrete anti-aggregation pheromones. माउंटेन बीटल जो है एग्रीगेशन फिरोमोन्स और एंटी एग्रीगेशन फिरोमोन्स सिक्रीट करती है. दे कैन ऑल्सो स्ट्राइड्यूलेट. स्ट्राइड्यूलेशन भी पाया जाता है इनमें कम्युनिकेशन के लिए. साउंड इज ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूस्ड. सम फिरोमोन्स आर मेड अप ऑफ फैटी एसिड्स एंड अदर फिरोमोन्स आर मेड अप ऑफ अमीनो एसिड्स. These were all characters of beetles. Thank you.